For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
The fourth phase of the COVID-19 lockdown ends on May 31st, and the Ministry of Home Affairs has issued guidelines for the fifth phase beginning June 1st. The lockdown has been extended till June 30th in containment zones, so restrictions will continue to be imposed in these zones. The MHA has termed the current phase of gradual opening of activities as Unlock 1 in a tweet. The Union Ministry has also allowed states to impose restrictions according to their need.
From 1st June 2020, within containment zones, lockdown restrictions to continue till 30th June 2020. Unlock 1, all activities to be relaxed in phased manner outside containment zones as per Ministry of Health and Family Welfare guidelines. State may impose restrictions or prohibit activities as per assessment.
The guidelines will come into effect from June 1st and will be effective till June 30th. The Union Home Ministry's order allows for the opening of places of worship for public, hotels, restaurants and shopping malls from June 8th will open in Phase 1. In Phase 2, schools, colleges, educational training, coaching institutions, etc. will be opened after consultation with states and union territories. State governments or union territory administrations may hold consultations at the institution level with parents and other stakeholders. Based on the feedback, a decision on the reopening of these institutions will be taken in the month of July. The Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare will prepare SOPs for these institutions in consultation with ministries and departments concerned and other stakeholders. Based on the assessment by the state, Centre plans to restart international air travel of passengers except as permitted by Union Home Ministry, metro rail services, cinema halls, gymnasiums, swimming pools, entertainment parks, theatres, bars and auditoriums, assembly halls and similar places. Certain large congregations like social, political, sports, entertainment, academic, cultural, religious functions and other large congregation in Phase 3 of Lockdown 5.0. According to sources, 13 cities which account for about 70% of the COVID-19 cases may see stricter restrictions to control the pandemic. These include the four major metropolises of Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai and Kolkata. Ahmedabad, Pune, Indore, Jaipur, Tiruvallur and Hyderabad could also see restrictions.